Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the imposter kill animation from Among Us. The other day my friend was playing as a carrot, so I decided to copy him and be a turnip, and I thought it would be fun to draw that, kind of like a battle of the root vegetables. As usual, I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the imposter on the left side. Draw an oval shape that's at a slight angle here. This will be his face shield. From the top left of the oval, draw a curved line down and back in for the top of his head. From the right side of the oval, draw a small line here. Draw a long line down and stop at the same level as the other line we drew, but leave a little gap. This will be the top opening of the mouth. From here, draw a slightly curved line to the right for the bottom opening of the mouth. On the left side, draw a small curve inwards. From the middle of this small curve, draw a line down and curve it back up into a rounded rectangular shape for the leg. Draw a small horizontal line here for the bottom of the body. From the bottom of the mouth, draw a curved line slightly in and then straight down. Finish off the leg with a rounded rectangular shape. Let's give him some teeth. Draw some V shapes in the mouth. 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Next, since he will be the carrot, let's draw a leaf on his head. On the top of his head in the middle, draw 2 short lines. Then draw 2 leaf shapes attached to here. Lastly, for the imposter, we need to add his backpack or space pack. From the back of his head, draw a curved line here and parallel to his head. Now draw another smaller curve and connect it to his body. Now let's draw the turnip victim. Draw a rounded rectangular here for his face shield. From the top left corner of it, draw a curved line up, around, and down, kind of like a candy cane shape. Draw a slightly curved line here for the bottom of his body. Draw his leg with a curved L shape here. From the bottom left of his face shield, draw a line down. Have it come slightly in and then straight down. Next, finish off the leg. Last thing for this guy is to draw a rectangular shape on his back for his space pack. Now let's draw the spear that comes out of the imposter's mouth that kills his victim. Draw a straight line coming from the inside corner of the imposter's mouth and stop it in the middle of the victim's face shield. Following the same line, draw another line coming out the back of his head. Now let's draw some pointed lines in the face shield here to look like it's been cracked or punctured. Lastly, we're going to draw the leaf that fell off the victim's head. In the middle between the two, draw a small open-sided rectangle. Then draw 2 leaf shapes coming from it. And that's it for this Among Us root vegetable assassination. Now time to color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.